song.
Yeah, Sampe to my fans all over the world, Sampe to Biafrans, Sampe to IPOB. Yeah, by special grace of God, we are right here in Afara, Ibeku. And here is Union Primary School, back of Golden Guinea Blue Waves. So, and this is our beloved brother, Mazi Chukwabiama Nonso.
Thank you very much, y'all.
And this is our beloved brother, Mazi Kenneth Onyema,
One love.
aka Jagas.
Jagas man.
Jagas.
Yeah, man, one love.
And this is our beloved brother,
Mazi Silas Chukwebuka,
aka
Don Prince the rap man, not Don Prince Sampe master. Don Prince the rap man, not Don Prince Sampe master.
my people, honor the hear am because we have different Don Prince. So we have Don Prince the Sampe master, which is I, and this is Don Prince
The rap man.
Yes, sir.
Also,
Yeah. So as you can see, this is the place where everything is happening. Yeah. Yeah, this is the right place. We are just setting canopy right now, setting chairs. As you can see, this is the field. The venue is Union Primary School field, back of Golden Guinea Blue Waves. So today things is going to happen, whether they like it or not. IPOB Biafra must, in fact, must perform. They must know that Biafrans are here, and the world must know the truth that we IPOB are not cowards. Sampe to Biafrans and Sampe to IPOB worldwide. Sampe to our beloved leader Mazi Namunde Kano. Sampe to Mazi Uchemofo. Sampe to IPOB worldwide, and Sampe to Biafrans. One love. I'm still Don Prince, aka Sampe Master. Makandojo.
One love to you.
Makandojo.
Victor.
Biafrans. Anyada Sindo. Anyada Segeni.
Ada Sindo.
That is it. One love. One love.
yeah, man.
Anyada Sindo. Biafra has come. Biafra is here.
It's here already.
But it is very painful to us that we lost our beloved parents, our beloved mother and father. And today is the day we plan to be awake this night to respect our beloved mother and father. May God bless Biafra.